Be careful when you answer your phone. A nationwide scheme is reaching people all over the capital region.
Police say con artists posing as the IRS have been using robocalls to try and trick people into sending them money. It's a scheme that duped people for more than $1 million so far. News 10 ABC's Marty Casper is live outside the IRS building in downtown Albany with the latest. And how can you protect yourself, Marty?
Well, has somebody recently called you or someone you know claiming to be from the IRS and saying they're going to sue you unless you pay up? Well, chances are those calls are fake. It's a problem that's on the rise.
The IRS has seen an increase in tax scams.
Phone schemes.
Preying on honest taxpayers, especially by phone.
They're claiming you owe money, and on top of that, you're being sued.
This is a nationwide scam.
Lieutenant Bob Wynn says county police got 3 complaints of such calls Thursday. Glenville police, a couple as well, and the local IRS office received 20 complaints.
This is one of the largest phone scams responsible for over $1 million in fraud.
James Zalewski is one person that got called early Thursday morning.
So I went over to my missed call.
He was alarmed when he heard the message.
Internal Revenue Services. The reason of this call is to inform you that the IRS is filing lawsuit against you.
Definitely started, especially when I pay my tax and I file my IRS return every year.
The message told James to call back a different number to resolve the issue. At first, he ignored it, but then called Friday afternoon.
Internal Revenue Service. And I paused. Internal Revenue Service.
He says he could tell it was a scheme and immediately hung up.
The IRS does not call you about tax debt you owe without first mailing you an official notice.
The scheme is so brazen, even Lieutenant Wynn was called.
My house received one of these phone calls yesterday. My mother received one of these phone calls yesterday, so it is pretty widespread.
That's why if you get a similar call, you're urged to
hang up immediately, ignore them, do not give them any information, don't even engage them in any conversation, do not call them back.
Now, the IRS uses 1-800 numbers and will never ask for payments or personal information over the phone. So if you get one of these calls, do what we all love to do to telemarketers and schemers, hang up. Reporting live in Albany, I'm Marty Casper for News 10 ABC.
So right.